Okay, so today we are going to study the simplification of a CFG. What is CFG? CFG is the context-free grammar that we've discussed in the previous lessons. Okay, so there are basically three rules for the simplification of a CFG, or you can say there are three types of reductions that we do. The first is the elimination of what? Of the useless symbols. Okay. Then secondly, we have removal of unit productions, and thirdly we have removal of null productions. Okay, so we will discuss these one by one. Firstly, we talk about elimination of useless symbols. Okay, so we take this with the help of an example. Suppose we have this thing, production rules as this. Okay, now my useless symbols are those which cannot be reached from S. For example, here I have, I'll show you it, BSX, and here B gives me ASB. Okay, so now here we see, if I start from the production rule S, so S will give me what? AB or BX. Okay, so now if I take this rule, that is S gives me AB, so I need to substitute B. My motive for the CFG is always that I have the non-terminals at this side and the terminals, that is the small alphabets or digits or numbers at this side, right? So when I substitute B here, B will be ASB or BBX. Okay, again if I substitute B, it will again lead to certain set of non-terminals on the right hand side. That is, I will never be able to reach a set of terminals on the on the right hand side using this production rule. So this production rules this becomes a useless symbol. Okay, so overall this becomes a useless symbol, because of which I have to remove this from my CFG, because now you understood, because using this production rule S gives me AB, I will never be able to end up with a set of non-terminals. Like I need with a set of terminals, like I need non-terminals here, right? This should give me a set of terminals over here. So I will not be able to end up with a set of terminals using this one, using B. Okay, so I cross this. Then furthermore, I just move on to A gives me A. Okay, so when I look for this, but you also see now S is only BX. Okay, no, and you always know that my starting symbol is S. So no way from S can I reach A. A can never be reached. That means what come I do, I have to start from here. Now suppose X. Now what is X? X is SBD. Okay, or ABX or AD. Now I know that this B has no existence, so I will even cross these ones. Okay, so X is only AD. And now we see X is AD. So we have this one production rule. It will never be able to reach over here. Means there is no use of it. Whether it was there or not, it does not affect the production rules. So we even cross it out. So we are left out with S gives me BX and X gives me AD. Okay. Now what we do is, now this is our final reduced CFG. So basically our motive while elimination of useless symbols is that whichever symbols will not lead us to a set of terminals, or whichever symbol is not occurring in our starting symbol, or we cannot reach to that non-terminal using the starting symbol, we will simply remove them from the production rules.